Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a very high-yield topic for psychiatry residents, which is insight in psychiatry. Basically, insight is the patient's understanding of their own mental illness. For a patient to have true insight, three core components must be present. These are awareness, attribution, and acceptance. First, let us talk about awareness. We usually ask the patient, "Do you think you are unwell?" This assesses if they recognize their illness at all. If they say nothing is wrong, there is no awareness. If they say maybe something is off, that is partial awareness. And if they clearly state that yes, they are unwell, then awareness is present. The second component is attribution. We ask the patient, "What do you think is causing this?" This helps us assess how they explain their symptoms. A delusional explanation indicates incorrect attribution. Blaming it entirely on external stress means partial insight. However, correctly attributing the symptoms to a mental illness means they have the correct attribution. The third component is acceptance. We simply ask, "Do you think you need treatment?" This checks their willingness to accept medical help. If they bluntly refuse treatment, there is no acceptance. If they are ambivalent, it is partial acceptance. If they actively accept the proposed treatment, they are insightful. Now, let us move on to the 6 standard grades of insight, which are frequently asked in exams and described in standard textbooks. Grade 1 is complete denial of illness. The patient has absolutely no awareness of being ill. Grade 2 is a slight awareness of being sick, but denying it at the same time. Here, the patient shows an intellectual acknowledgement, but there is an underlying emotional denial. Grade 3 is the awareness of being sick, but attributing it to external or physical factors. This is a classic misattribution. For example, the patient might confidently say that it is all because of work stress, or that someone else is controlling them. Grade 4 is the awareness of being ill due to something unknown in oneself. The patient accepts the illness but has an unclear understanding of the actual psychological causation. Grade 5 is intellectual insight. The patient completely understands their illness and symptoms on an intellectual level, but their behavior does not change at all. We commonly see this grade in patients with OCD and substance use disorders. Finally, grade 6 is true emotional insight. This is the highest level, where there is full awareness along with meaningful behavioral change and strict treatment compliance. So, if you have to give a one-line answer for your OSCES, you should say that insight is assessed by determining whether the patient recognizes the illness, correctly attributes their symptoms to a mental disorder, and accepts the need for treatment, which can be graded anywhere from complete denial to true emotional insight.